our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Marianne Revore.
Now, Marianne, what part of the world did you come from?
I came from Phoenix metro area in Arizona.
Okay, if you got a really good stone to throw it that far, it's about, what, 7 hours?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, I know. I've made it before in 6. Okay, yeah, but okay, that's driving at speeds through a desert with safely, kind of.
Yeah.
So what'd you come down here for?
I came to get some more chiropractic care from you, and I also came for some dental health work because I had some stuff that I just couldn't find a dentist that I wanted to touch my teeth. So.
Big time. I mean, because when you're looking at dental, we're talking mercury cavitations, the root canals, all of this stuff can have a systemic effect because this can negatively affect you, and it shows up on the thermography really well. That's actually how I found this place, and I'm talking like 25 years ago. I needed to get mercury out of my mouth too. So what was your experience like?
I love my dentist. She was so calm and gentle, and when they put the crown on my tooth today, it fit perfectly. There was no messing around. It was done real well and done right. And they even take the time to hand you a mirror and ask you if you're happy with the way it looks.
When they're choosing the color of that crown, there's such a discussion. Like when they were choosing the color of one of my crowns, because I had a tooth knocked out when I was hit by a car, and they had 3 guys in there saying, I don't know, what color is this? It was amazing, amazing. Now, during these procedures, typically we have a vitamin C IV, and by law, they have to prescribe you an antibiotic and a pain reliever. I've never seen one of our patients use the pain reliever antibiotic.
No, not at all. I didn't need them.
Now, because you're doing wild stuff, you're choosing to get your own care. Plus, you're down here getting the chiropractic care, which is kind of fun. Okay, the people, because you've met people I know from where today? Now it's Florida, Tahiti, and New York. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's a fun place to come.
It is. Everyone smiles. Everyone loves one another. Everyone encourages one another. It's a wonderful atmosphere. It really is.
What could you tell people that don't understand holistic dentist or Huggins protocol dentist or the detoxing IVs, or they're stuck in that symptom drug protocol? How can you get them out of that?
Dr. Bergman always tells you the body is. You were made for this planet, and you can heal yourself. You just need to know how to do it right.
It's true. God bless you, dear. You're changing lives. You're saving. I mean, you're just fun.
Well, thank you. I really am happy that I'm part of this.
It is. We call it Bergman Family Chiropractic, not Bergman Family. Okay, it really is. God bless you, my dear. Take care of yourselves. You are made in the image and likeness of God. God bless you. You're all good.